A New York-based healthcare provider is now being investigated for fraud, accused of illegally obtaining and distributing the COVID vaccine. Today in New York's Myles Miller is covering the story for us live in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Myles?
That's right. The Borough Park offices of Park Care were raided last night by state police. We're outside their Williamsburg office, where we believe the vaccines were administered last week. The state health department is trying to figure out if those vaccines were given to the right people who actually needed the vaccine.
The state health department is trying to ascertain whether Park Care Community Health Network may have fraudulently obtained doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, then transferred it to facilities in other parts of the state and diverted it to members of the public. Park Care is a healthcare network that serves the Orthodox Jewish community throughout the state, including in Orange County, Upper East Side, Williamsburg, and Borough Park. The company tells News 4 in a statement, quote, "We have striven to provide critical healthcare services and administer COVID-19 vaccinations to those qualified to receive them under the New York State Department of Health's guidelines. As we actively cooperate with the New York State Department of Health on this matter, we will continue to perform top-quality healthcare services to help New York come out of this pandemic," end quote. On December 16th, a flyer posted to their Facebook page said vaccines will be made available on a first-come, first-served basis with a link to a form asking patients to reserve a spot. That goes against the state's plan to administer it first to frontline healthcare workers and to nursing home residents and staffers. Park Care tweeted on December 21st photos of the Moderna vaccine in boxes, saying that Park Care received thousands of COVID-19 Moderna vaccines that morning. Meanwhile, the state health commissioner saying this morning in a sternly worded message, quote, "We take this very seriously, and the Department of Health will be assisting the state police in a criminal investigation into this matter. Anyone found to have knowingly participated in this scheme will be held accountable to the fullest extent of the law," end quote.
Again, the Borough Park offices of Park Care raided by state police yesterday evening. This is the office here in Williamsburg. It just opened this morning, looking to see if state police come here as well. Live in Williamsburg, I'm Myles Miller. Today in New York. Back to you.
Okay, Myles, thank you for that report. And that investigation comes as New York reports more than 10,000 new positive cases of coronavirus. Another 122 New Yorkers lost their lives to COVID. And right now, more than 6,800 people are in the hospital battling the virus. In New Jersey, COVID hospitalizations have dropped to 3,400. 4,000 people have tested positive for the virus, and 19 more lives were lost. The United States now reaching a grim new milestone on this holiday weekend. The U.S. is now reporting more than 19 million coronavirus cases after crossing the 18 million mark just less than a week ago. And sadly, the virus has now killed more than 332,000 Americans.